Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate GetResponse to your AEvent account, integrate it to your timeline, and the on-registration options available once it is successfully integrated. Alright, once you're logged into AEvent, please click on Integrations. Click on Add Integration. Look for GetResponse by typing it in the search box. Click Add Integration. Type in your preferred name for the integration. Please label it accordingly to easily identify it when integrating multiple accounts. Here, I'm typing GetResponse1. Click Connect. Now it will ask for your GetResponse email address and password. Once you have these entered, click Continue. You'll then be prompted to authorize AEvent. Click Yes. Let's click on Test, and there you go. We have successfully added GetResponse to our integrations. Now let's add GetResponse to your timeline. Let's open your timeline and click on the Integration section. Toggle the switch to add or enable GetResponse for your timeline. Once enabled, we can now access the integration settings by clicking on the gear icon. From here, you can see the on-registration options for GetResponse. You can select a campaign and/or a tag you want registrants added to upon registration. Click on Select a Campaign and choose your desired campaign from the list. The same with tag. Select your desired tag from the list. Once you're done, click on Update Settings at the bottom to save your changes. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.